Hey, in the Galaxy M34 5G, you can actually hide apps in the secure folder. Of course, when you lock it and exit, you will have to input the password to be able to get access. And let me show you how to do this step by step. So first of all, you have to open the settings. Now from here, you will have to scroll down and open the security and the privacy. And now go into the secure folder. Next, click continue 2 times. And now just wait for the creating process. Okay, and when this process is finished, you have to select the lock type. So I'm gonna get the fingerprint recognition and also the simple pattern. You can use the same password as you have on your screen lock. Then click continue if you put it the first time and do this second time. Confirm with the same pattern, PIN or password. Now from here, you can actually click next. And here we are. So if you want to add here any app, click on the plus. Let's say that I want to hide YouTube. So I'm gonna put it right here, click add. Now YouTube, after a few seconds, will appear right here. And now when you want to search for something or watch something, and you want to hide it from other users that can probably get access to your phone, don't use this application. Go into your secure folder. Of course, when you click lock and exit, while opening, you will have to input this password. Then open the YouTube. And now you can make search and log into the second account by tapping right here. When I go to the normal YouTube application that appears on the Google folder, as you can see, that's actually the different application with a different account. And you can also use the 2 apps at the same time. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.